Practical tips to save money on fuel and improve your car's fuel consumption. Maintain proper tire pressure. Keeping your tires properly inflated can reduce rolling resistance and improve fuel efficiency. Check your tire pressure regularly and inflate them to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Remove excess weight. Remove any unnecessary items from your car, especially heavy ones. The extra weight puts a strain on your engine, leading to increased fuel consumption. Avoid aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, and excessive speeding can significantly decrease your fuel efficiency. Drive smoothly, maintain a steady speed, and anticipate traffic conditions to avoid unnecessary stops and starts. Use cruise control when available. When driving on highways or long, open roads, engage cruise control. It helps maintain a consistent speed and can improve fuel economy by preventing unnecessary speed fluctuations. Observe speed limits. Driving at higher speeds increases wind resistance, which reduces fuel efficiency. Adhere to speed limits and try to stay within the recommended speed range for optimal fuel economy. Avoid idling. If you anticipate being stopped for more than a minute, it's more fuel efficient to turn off your engine instead of idling. Restarting your car uses less fuel than leaving it idling. Plan trips efficiently. Combine multiple errands into one trip to minimize mileage and maximize fuel efficiency. Avoid congested routes and peak traffic hours whenever possible. Use air conditioning sparingly. Air conditioning puts an extra load on the engine and increases fuel consumption. Use it judiciously, and consider using the vehicle's ventilation system or opening windows at lower speeds. Keep up with regular maintenance. Follow your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug inspections. A well-maintained car operates more efficiently. Choose the right motor oil. Opt for low-viscosity motor oil that meets your vehicle manufacturer's specifications. High-quality lubricants can reduce friction and improve fuel economy. Close windows at higher speeds. Open windows at high speeds can create drag and decrease fuel efficiency. Close windows and use the vehicle's ventilation system when driving at highway speeds. Avoid roof racks and cargo carriers. These accessories increase aerodynamic drag and reduce fuel efficiency. Remove them when not in use to minimize their impact on your car's performance. Consider carpooling or public transportation. Sharing rides or utilizing public transportation whenever feasible can significantly reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Remember that each vehicle has its own characteristics, so these tips may vary in their effectiveness depending on your car's make, model, and overall condition. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to Viosified.